Welcome to AI Smart Wealth. I'm so excited to show you how to create and sell your very own book using AI. Here are the 3 simple steps. Step 1, Nano Banana AI Story and Illustrations. Step 2, Canva, design your book layout. Step 3, Amazon KDP/Etsy, publish and start selling.
Step 1, Story and Illustrations. Use the AI tool Nano Banana. Use the AI tool Nano Banana. Type your idea, for example, a curious little kitten named Luna. And in seconds, the AI generates 10 illustrated pages with matching story text. Make sure to download each of the generated images one by one. Step 2, Design in Canva. Open canva.com and go to the Templates section. Upload all the images you downloaded from Nano Banana. Drag each image onto your pages and adjust the size to fit the storybook layout. Delete extra pages if needed. And click Add Page to create new ones. done, download your book as a PDF. If you could create any picture book, what story or illustrations would you include? Share your idea in the comments. Step 3. Publishing and selling. Sell your book worldwide. Upload your PDF to Amazon KDP, Etsy, or your own website. Fill in your title, description, keywords, and categories. Set your price and royalties. Preview your book to make sure everything looks perfect. Click Publish and your book will be available to readers. Make sure your PDF is high quality and formatted correctly. Write a compelling description to attract buyers. Use keywords and tags for better search visibility. Start with a reasonable price and adjust based on sales and feedback. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment for more step-by-step guides. Thank you for watching.